is Susanna, and I'm an educator at the University of California, Hansen Agricultural Research and Extension Center in Santa Paula. Today we're going to be learning about persimmons, which is November's harvest of the month. But before that, I'd like to tell you a little bit about where I work. So you may have been to our center. It's not a typical farm. We grow crops for agricultural research, and then we share or extend that information to farmers and the public and students like you. You may have visited our farm for a field trip, and now you can enjoy a virtual lesson like today's cooking video. So today we're going to talk about persimmons. And persimmons are a fruit. They grow on a tree, and they originated in China. There are two types of persimmons. There's the Hachiya persimmon that looks like this, almost like a heart-shaped fruit. And then we have the Fuyu persimmons that are kind of flat, and they are almost look like a little tomato. So they're very different in taste. These tend to be really juicy and when they're ripe, and we use them for baking or, well, as we're going to learn today, a delicious smoothie. And these are used usually like an apple. You taste them, you eat them like you would an apple. They're both delicious and have great vitamin C, vitamin A, fiber, and potassium that makes it so healthy. Vitamin A is great for your skin and your hair and your eyesight, and vitamin C, of course, keeps you healthy and keeps your immunity up. Today we're going to make a perfect persimmon smoothie, and let's talk about what equipment you'll need. Very easy this time. So you'll need a cutting board, you'll need a measuring cup for liquid, a measuring spoon, a knife, a blender, and a glass so that you can drink your smoothie. Let's talk about the ingredients that you'll need for your perfect persimmon smoothie. You'll need 2 very ripe persimmons, and you'll know they're ripe when they're very translucent and they look like almost like a water balloon that's ready to burst. A ripe banana, some orange juice. If you don't have orange juice that's already prepared, but you happen to have some oranges, it takes about 2½ small oranges. Some pumpkin spice. If you don't have pumpkin spice, you can substitute some cinnamon and some ice to make it all frosty. The first thing you want to do when you're cooking anything is start by washing your hands. You want to wash your hands with warm water and soap for about 20 seconds, or you might want to sing the happy birthday song or row your boat a couple times to make sure that you get that time right. The next thing you want to do is wash all of your produce. In this case, you're going to be washing 2 persimmons, and then you're ready to cook. We're going to start by cutting our Hachiya persimmons. And the first thing you want to do is cut off this part of where the blossom was. You're going to take your knife and you're going to put your Hachiya there, and using your claw and saw, you're going to saw with a nice safe knife and take that off. Do that to both of them. And it comes out, if it's nice and ripe, it should come out pretty easily. The next thing you want to do is take a spoon and just go inside of the skin and take all that pulp out and put it into your blender. If you get a little bit of the skin, it's okay. Do the same thing to the second Hachiya persimmon. Put that off to the side. Then you're going to take your banana. Again, you're going to grab it. You're going to go use your safe knife, take off the stem, and peel your banana. You can either take it with your knife and cut it up, or just break up little pieces into your mixer. Then you're going to take your orange juice, which you've measured to half a cup, and pour it in. And about a cup of ice. And now you're ready to blend. But you'll want to flavor it with either some pumpkin pie spice or some cinnamon. So you're just going to take a little, half a teaspoon, and put it in. Now you're ready to blend. And now comes the fun part where you get to enjoy it. Pour it into a glass. And you have enough to share with some of your family. So let's taste it. It's delicious. It's sweet. You can taste all of the flavors of fall. You've got the persimmon and the pumpkin spice, and the orange juice makes it tangy. It's delicious. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoy your perfect persimmon smoothie with Hachiya persimmons grown right at the UC Hansen Agricultural Research and Extension Center. We hope to see you at the farm soon.